Have you been worried about high creatinine levels affecting your kidney health? Today, we're uncovering a powerful solution for high creatinine levels that could transform your kidney health using a simple ingredient you probably already have at home: baking soda. If you're concerned about high creatinine levels and the impact on your kidney health, you're not alone. It's a common issue that many people face. But here's the good news: there are natural ways to support your kidneys, and baking soda is one of them. First, let's break down what creatinine is and why it matters. Creatinine is a waste product generated by muscle metabolism. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering it out of the blood. High creatinine levels can be a red flag indicating reduced kidney function, which can lead to more serious health issues. So, maintaining healthy creatinine levels is crucial for overall kidney health. But how does baking soda fit into this picture? Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is an alkaline substance that helps neutralize acid in the body. This alkalizing effect can reduce the workload on your kidneys, which may help manage creatinine levels and improve kidney function. There have been various studies suggesting that sodium bicarbonate can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. In one study, patients who supplemented with baking soda experienced a slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't. This is because baking soda helps maintain the body's pH balance, reducing acidity and thus alleviating stress on the kidneys. It's like giving your kidneys a little break. Now let's get into how you can use baking soda to support your kidney health. Here's a simple method to try at home. Start with a half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it into a glass of water until it dissolves completely. Drink this solution once daily, preferably on an empty stomach for optimal absorption. But before you start, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have any existing health conditions or are on medication. They can guide you on the right dosage and ensure it's safe for you. Baking soda is a fantastic tool, but remember, it's just one part of a bigger picture. Let's talk about how to integrate it into a holistic health routine. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for kidney health. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to help your kidneys flush out toxins. Balanced diet. Focus on a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit processed foods and excessive salt intake. Regular exercise. Physical activity can improve overall health and support kidney function. Try to get at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Monitor blood pressure. High blood pressure can strain your kidneys. Keep it in check with a healthy lifestyle and medication if prescribed. By making these lifestyle changes and incorporating baking soda, you're taking proactive steps toward better kidney health. Let's address some common questions and myths about using baking soda for kidney health. Is it safe for everyone? While baking soda is generally safe in small amounts, it's not recommended for people with high blood pressure due to its sodium content. Always consult your doctor first. Can I take it with medications? Baking soda can interact with certain medications, so it's important to check with your healthcare provider. How long should I use it? It's best used as a temporary measure under medical supervision rather than a long-term solution. Hearing about others' experiences can be incredibly motivating. Let's listen to some stories from individuals who have tried using baking soda for kidney health. I was skeptical at first, but after consulting with my doctor, I decided to give baking soda a try. Over a few weeks, my creatinine levels showed slight improvement, and I felt more energetic. In combination with a healthier lifestyle and regular checkups, baking soda became a small part of my routine. It reminded me to stay proactive about my health. These stories highlight the importance of combining natural remedies with professional guidance and lifestyle changes for the best results. Let's dive into some frequently asked questions about using baking soda for kidney health. Can baking soda replace my medications? Absolutely not. Baking soda should not be used as a substitute for any prescribed medication. It's meant to complement your overall health strategy. How soon can I expect results? It's important to be patient. Natural remedies like baking soda can take time to show effects, and results may vary depending on individual health conditions. Are there side effects? Some people might experience stomach upset or increased thirst. If you notice any adverse effects, stop using it and consult your doctor. Here are some quick tips to keep in mind when using baking soda. Start slow. Begin with a small dose and gradually increase it if needed, always under medical supervision. Watch your diet. Baking soda can increase sodium intake, so be mindful of other salty foods in your diet. Listen to your body, pay attention to how your body responds, and make adjustments accordingly. Let's bust some common myths about baking soda and kidney health. Myth 1: baking soda can cure kidney disease. While baking soda may support kidney health, it is not a cure for kidney disease. Always follow your healthcare provider's treatment plan. Myth 2: more baking soda is better. More is not always better. Excessive use can lead to imbalances and side effects. Stick to recommended doses. Myth 3: baking soda works immediately. Natural remedies often take time to work and should be part of a long-term health strategy. One of the most important aspects of managing kidney health is regular monitoring and professional guidance. Regular checkups help track your kidney function and ensure that any interventions like using baking soda are safe and effective. It's essential to work closely with your healthcare team. Partnering with your healthcare provider ensures that you're making informed decisions that benefit your overall health. Besides using baking soda, here are some lifestyle changes that can make a significant difference in your kidney health. Healthy eating: incorporate kidney-friendly foods like berries, leafy greens, and fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Stress management: practice stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Limit alcohol and tobacco. Reducing or eliminating alcohol and tobacco can protect your kidneys and overall health. By integrating these tips into your daily life, you're taking important steps toward better kidney health. Remember, health is a journey, and every small step counts. So, there you have it. A natural, accessible way to help manage creatinine levels and support your kidney health with baking soda. Remember, consistency and a holistic approach are key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Crafted Nutrition for more health tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.